Yeah, hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, CodeEra, and today we are here with Anushka, and so again we are doing today's question. So today's daily question is water bottles 2. Yesterday we also solved water bottle 1, and today we have water bottle 2, but it's medium level, and yesterday that was of easy level. So I guess there might be some other case for it. That's why it's in medium. Let's read up question first. You are given two integer num bottles and num exchange. Num bottle represents the number of water bottles that you initially have in one operation. You can perform one of the following operations. Drink any number of water bottles, turning them into empty bottles. Exchange num bottles, empty bottle with one full water bottle, then increase num exchange by one. Okay. uh, okay, so note that you cannot exchange multiple batches of empty bottle for the same value of num exchange. For example, if num bottle equal to num exchange equal to 1, you cannot exchange three empty water bottles for. Okay, so the question is same as we did yesterday, but the thing is, at a time we can exchange only single lot. Okay, if we have 10 empty bottles and num exchange is 4, so we can only exchange 4 water bottles for it, not 8. In yesterday's question we were exchanging two lot of 4 and 4, and then we were increasing our two new water bottles, but now we can only exchange one lot of it. Okay, so okay. Okay, so let's start with code, and so now let's initialize a answer where which we will be returning at end of this code. And initially we are initializing it with nums bottle because first batch so we can drink at a time. Okay, so answer will be num bottles, then we will run a while loop again, like yesterday. Num bottles is greater than equal to num exchange, और जब तक हमारा num bottles is greater, till then we will run this while loop, because till then we have probability to drink that water. Then what we will do is we will do answer equals to no num exchange. Okay, uh, okay, so this thing we were doing yesterday, today we just need to increase answer by one only, because we are exchanging only one lot, or in every one lot we will just have a single bottle of it, right? So we will just increase it with by one, not like that. Okay, let's remove this plus, and now, so then we will just increase our num exchange with one, because at every iteration we have to increase our num exchange also. Okay, so that was given on question only. Then what we will do, we will just increase, like we will initialize num bottles again with a new lot, because we get one new bottle, right? So we will just minus num exchange number of bottles, because num exchange number of empty bottle we will give, and then on exchange we will get one single bottle in return. Okay, so we did that. Okay, yeah, now just outside loop we will return our answer. I guess this should work. um, let's run this code. Oh, 13. Okay, so we just need to do this thing before num exchange initialize, like before num exchange change. Okay, now it will work. Yeah, that's working. Mm, let's submit it. Um, submit. Okay, yeah, 100% beats. Okay, yeah. So I hope you guys understand how we guys handled this question, and if you guys liked it, then please like, share, and subscribe this channel, and like my video, comment here, and share and subscribe my channel. And if you didn't like it, so still like my video and share and subscribe. Yeah, bye bye. Bye Anushka.